Good afternoon, teacher Alfredo Aviña. This is my blog 3, activity 3. And the first question is about what L1 transfer have you encountered in your classroom? According, positive transfers occur when something we've learned previously aids us in learning at a later time. For example, when we learn to drive a car, could be easy or facilitate that I can drive a truck later. In my own experience, when I was 13 years old, I began to learn English in a small academy in Mazatlan. My learning was not satisfactory since I was forced by my father to learn English and not by my will or desire to learn. But despite that, I learned important things that in the following years I put into practice, and that day by day I gave myself the opportunity to learn. Language is better, and today I have the opportunity to teach my students. When I learned English, that facilitated me to learn French. And the second question is about in your own lengua, in your own language acquisition to learning process, have you struggled with L1 negative transfer? In my initial process, I learned in a different way. Classes were archived and sometimes boring. Teachers came to the class, and mostly of the time, teacher told students, we are going to practice verb to be. Everybody will write a conversation using verb to be and presenting conversation to the class. When I was 13 years old and when I went to the academy in Mazatlan, our classes that were very boring because the teachers don't use flashcards or games. Just all the times were grammatical classes, and teacher never talk about interesting topics or attractive classes. Never we learn with flashcard or games, just grammar, textbooks, study all the time, regular or regular verbs. Probably students don't understand rules. Nowadays, it's possible for me to identify any different transfer, but verb involved in my learning process. Thank you very much, and this is my video.